What's up, bro?
Mind if I record this? Good,
bro,
dude.
do your thing, bro. Do
nice.
your thing, man.
Good deal.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, so here's the beast stand right here,
This is the
bro.
beast, huh?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it from my wife about like 6 months ago.
Oh, really? Oh, man.
Yeah, man. They told man, I don't know shit about cars, bro, but
yeah,
they hit me with the they got a hole in a muffler, so it sounds.
Snap.
Yeah, they said her brother did it on purpose to, you know, be funny or something.
Okay.
It was driving good, and then about like a month ago, we got an oil filter, that oil change needed to come up.
Yep.
Man, you know how it is sometimes. Sometimes you just put it off,
Yep.
and then that's when all the bullshit started happening.
Oh, man.
Yeah, brother.
Okay. All right, well, we'll definitely test it to make sure. Honestly, the symptoms you described just kind of seem like it is, but it's not looking good so far, I'm not gonna lie.
My stepdad, he knows a little bit, and he came and checked it out. That's what I was telling you. Went to go take the oil cap off.
Yeah.
And there were little crystals, and he just looked at me. He's like, "Oh yeah, not good, buddy."
Oh, man. Okay. When was the last time you changed your oil?
Bro, I haven't.
Oh, you haven't?
No.
For 6 months since you bought it? Never?
Bro,
Hey, you're not the only one. You're good.
I know, bro. I know, man.
I talked to someone the other day.
My dad started kicking me in the ass. Like, what's wrong with you, bro?
You got the engine light on?
Yeah, hell yeah. It was low key on. They pulled a quick one on me. At first when I got it, obviously there was nothing, and then like.
You said you had a white smoke in the back, right? Yeah, it comes out. And you said it overheats real quick?
Yeah, I was letting it run yesterday, and it wasn't. But once I tried to like take it down the street to kind of fix my parking, damn man, that fucking thing started rising.
Okay. And then, have you been putting coolant in here, or has it been getting low?
Yeah, I have been.
Oh, it gets low, huh?
So I haven't, since I filled it up probably about like last month, I haven't seen anything drop.
Gotcha, but you don't really drive it either, huh?
Nah, I haven't. I've been letting it sit, bro, just because my wife was stranded over here on 120 for a little bit. I had to fucking come and grab more fucking coolant. We had to pop this damn hood open and let it drive with that thing to keep it cool enough so I could drive it home.
Okay. So if this changes colors, that basically tells me you have a blown head gasket, right? So
I see that been changing colors.
It's kind of changing colors right now. It's supposed to stay this color, blue, right?
That blue.
But then when it starts turning different colors, and that's when you know you have that blown head gasket.
And then my pops, he put the Diagnostics in, and then it was saying I got a piston number 3 that misfiring too.
That's not looking good.